The history of CNC machining technology can be traced back to the 1940s with the continuous development of computer technology and the mutual promotion of digital and CNC technologies. CNC machining technology has continued to evolve and upgrade in the 21st century. During the development of the technology, 3-axis and 5-axis machines were invented and applied in practical production. Obviously, the biggest difference between 3-axis and 5-axis machine is the axis. Axis is the direction that the machine can work at. 3-axis are X, Y, and Z. It means the machine operates along an X, Y, Z direction. Basically, 3-axis machines is able to produce the most of standard shapes. For instance, if we will machine this part, the tool on the CNC machine extends downward along the axis and begin milling work on the X and Y axis plane from the top of the material. According to the preset program, the tools will cut out square shapes and then return to the starting point, sink to a certain depth, and then repeat milling work. Now let's talk about 5-axis machines. Normally, 5-axis machines have 2 more rotation axes than 3-axis machines. A, B, C axis are the rotations around X, Y, Z linear axis, and we only need to use any 2 of these axes. Why 5-axis but not 6? To explain that, I need to introduce you the concept 2-axis vector. The 2-axis vector is a unit vector in 3D space. It's obvious that as long as the altitude of tool changes, the machining can be achieved at any angles. 2-axis vector aims to directly describe the two attitudes. All 2-axis vector directions can be obtained by rotating this vector around 2 non-collinear axes as the coordinate system, just like how latitude and longitude work. Any positions on the Earth's surface can be determined by latitude and longitude. There are 2 coordinate values and described by the angles of 2 mutually perpendicular rotational axes. Here is one example that only 5-axis equipment can be used for machining. To make it easier to compare, I put 2 types of machines directed here as well. You see, when machines operate along with X, Y, Z directions, 5-axis machines also rotate around A and C axes. Because of the additional 2 rotational directions, 5-axis machine is a better option when parts are complex and need precision machining. Why is that? As we know, setup is a very critical preparation step because it directly influences the accuracy and the quality of the machine parts. Generally, the more times of clamping, the more negative impact it has on the accuracy of the machining. 5-axis equipment requires fewer clamping than 3-axis equipment. That's all about today's video. If you enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up and share it. Also, please follow our channel and stay tuned for more videos in the future. I'll see you next time.